Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Warmly welcome to all of you with another important video related to monthly project HSE performance report. We all know as a HSE professional, we work a lot day-to-day basis, especially as a safety officer. So in that context, we truly need to evaluate our performance at least on a monthly basis, and you can consider whatever I'm going to discuss in next slides. Maybe you can consider that kind of a HSE dashboard monthly just to see where you are standing, as a HSE performer actually, as a whole system even. So if you're new to our channel, you can subscribe. It's a Training Zone channel, our daily learning club, and I hope it is going to be beneficial for you at some extent, inshallah. So let's start. Guys, very much important, because on a day-to-day basis, we have implemented a lot of forms and different kind of procedures. So in that context, for each one, we truly need to evaluate how many first aid cases are reported. Like if we talk about this month, like June is going on and just 1, 2 more days left. So on a 1st July, you must evaluate the June 2023 and see how many first aid cases are reported on within your company. Or if you believe you have multiple sites, maybe more than 50 sites within Saudi Arabia or even globally, then site wise you need to get that data and accumulative. You can have a total number of first aid cases, but site to site should also be differentiated. So in that context, it's up to you. Like if you are a just company, like a manufacturing company, then maybe you don't have other sites, but if you are in construction industry or maintenance or inspection or such kind of, or you are serving to oil and gas companies, especially Saudi Aramco, so might be you have multiple sites, multiple projects, So in that context, for each project, you need to know what are the number of first aid cases reported. Then the medical treatment injury, that should also be calculated. Restricted work injury, if anything happened, God forbid, lost time injury, you need to calculate for that particular month. Number of lost work days, that's also, even no harm to get all these reporting into Excel, or some companies have proper ERP or kind of software, and they just put the day-to-day basis data into that software, and automatically the calculated kind of a cumulative analysis at the end of the month are already there. And later on, even the automatic graph is also for easy understanding. So, fatal incidents for the month, God forbid if there is any road traffic accident or incident, property damage, PDI incident, environmental incidents, or number of client HSE observation raised, because clients could also be like, if you are serving to Saudi Aramco for each project, they have separate PMT. So those PMT guys, they have right to raise some sort of observation from their side. Same way, you might have some internal HSE observations, department to department or person to person. Like if I'm visiting to your department, I'm just highlighting some of the unsafe acts or conditions or any sort of observations related to HSE and reporting back to you. But all these numbers must be calculated at the end of the month. And then total man hours work, safe man hour work without LTI, lost time injury, in other words, and average manpower for this particular month. Story still not yet finished. You have to calculate and know about if any, God forbid, number of near miss incidents are there which are reported for the month of June. We are talking about, and number of client HSE observations which you have closed by them. Like closed, even no harm to further evaluate. Okay, these are the observations which are closed, and these are still in process, or these observations are unjustified, like wrongly reported or falsely reported, God forbid. It's up to you how deeply you want to analyze. But data analyst, you have to be in HSC. So number of HSE walkthrough audits client from the client, and then number of HSE walkthrough audits internally you have done, number of safety inspections you have conducted, number of group meetings throughout the month you have done, and then number of HSE meetings specifically related to safety meetings. So that's also need to be evaluated. Site HSE induction, how many number of persons are were available and you delivered induction to them. And same way, number of induction to the client, like number of persons, HSE specific training, like number of persons, or number of monthly HSE award distributed, and number of client appreciation and awards, number of emergency drills conducted. Other than this, if any data still you believe should be reported, you can highlight in the comment box, because I'm telling you, this is the way to learn from each other. But bear in mind, if you are a HSE professional as a HSE officer or as a HSE supervisor or manager, and you are not having this report on a monthly basis, then it's a serious call to look into your HSE management system implementation. Might be some gaps are still there. Because if system is implemented, then data is day-to-day basis, data is being prepared, and that data need to be evaluated to see what is the HSE performance of that particular month. But what I mean is, if you are not getting these data into your computer or somewhere, you don't have that mechanism, it's a big gap. Because once you will be evaluating monthly performance, at least you can define some KPIs for the next month. Actually, we have uh, uh, key performance indicators which are really important actually to understand your performance level also. So I hope guys it will be helping inshallah, and anything you believe still can be added, you can highlight in the comment box. Several time I get different proposals to prepare one video for this one, record one video for this particular topic. So that's why it's all for you. Whatever I have learned from my experience, I'm sharing with all of you. So, but still, you have a right to add. Everybody is unique. You are unique in your profession also. So you can add value and put some comment, and let me see if anything is missing, which we can learn from each other. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.